up, guys? Your boy WHOTUCKIS here. It's Monday night, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, I said I was gonna have a video for the week at the end of the weekend. Well, unfortunately, you look right there, my BMW's getting towed, which seems to be, it's not common, but there's always an issue with this car. There's no engine issues, it's a suspension issue. I don't know if you guys remember, but the passenger side strut, the top mount, or strut mount, whatever you want to call it, that's separated, and I replaced it. And the driver's side looked fine, so I was just like, you know what, forget it, I'm going to leave the driver's side the way it is, because it doesn't need to be addressed. Well, I took it to a shop to get looked at because I have sloppiness in my rear end. Like, when you take off, it just squats real hard. There are new struts on it, so it's like maybe it's the bushings and stuff. And when they put it on the lift, you know, they identified that it needs subframe bushing, needs a diff mount, and associated pieces like that in the rear. But when they went to go lower it off of the, you know, the stand at the shop, they heard a crunching noise. The same crunch noise that I described in my strut video is what they described. It was like this metal separation noise. But anyway, the top mount on the driver's side, strut mount on the driver's side, is messed up. I'm trying not to curse in these videos. And now it's getting towed. So it sucks, but what are you gonna do? It's an old car and it is my baby, so I'm gonna fix it. But as of right now, I kind of just want to get rid of the car because I want to drive it. Look how embarrassing that is. But shout out to Todd's Towing for coming clutch. So that's the update. Also, sorry for not having a video out for about a month now. As you guys know, I do work. I'm just gonna say it. You know, as you guys probably know if you follow me on Instagram, I'm a UPS driver. And we have peak season, and peak season is the busiest time of year. So that took up a lot of my time. And then on top of it, near the end of peak season, when everything was tapering off and going back to normal, I got sick. I still kind of have. I still have a cough a little bit. But that's it. That's all I got to say tonight. That's an update, and that's where the BMW's at right now. It's on the back of a tow truck going to my house. And probably Saturday, if it doesn't snow, because they're calling for snow in Philadelphia, I'll make a video and show you guys exactly what the damage is and what it looks like and get to fixing it. So that's what your boy WHOTUCKIS has been doing. So that's it. So like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully the momentum's here now and I'll have a video out at the end of the week again or whatever. But, all right, that's it. I'm gonna cut it. Peace.